mentah ke Trinamool Congress ke Distang kini ke parti ke badan hak yang persyak. Te wada ke Kongres tu kalau denlang sya site jang BJP mentah te natrai upai ba ulah sutu ba hab wan ra ya ke kenhun ke ban persyak BJP ke. Ada ke babun kidang BJP dengan ong kumno ndrei kumba kalau mentah mo upai ba de ban sutu syai ba kila ban wan ha kirong kirup ki baper. Ndrei kini baro ke trainer kam ta ke thong kata kalong ban aibor ya ke BJP. Sabar jong ke Meghalaya ki mong NPP government. Pinalai Delhi ki ong ke BJP government. Kabadon ha Meghalaya. Tinggal penpau siya kapertai baka Meghalaya kapuriak kaya ke BJP. Te mentah ke Trinamool Congress abangi mi naka Congress ke Barimban Wan siya ke Trinamool Congress ngidon ba dakata ko ke jingmut bar kembang ila penpau siya pa iba. Baka ta ke jingmut ke jungi kalong basyai ba bangi ngin yang persya ba ya ke BJP. Bat ikiken hun ki badon dekat ba ke BJP. Jadi hangta bangaso ba kumu upai ba ubastat upai ba balai ijingai balam mat ikini ijing kan ne natrai kin ai hiru kalat mo yangi bangin wan pat hakabor sebcia bangin persyang ban ai gelat lenti ki ba khamba na ka banta ka jela ka jungi idon ke kenhun ki ba tebit mo ku ba pi ki meli jungi ki ba pun ba ki de ki bala don lupa ka sanhimal aslam ki don ru ha bor sensial aslam ki bala sutu ba ki reu don puram ki ba ayo ke jing kersian jong pai ba la bun snam ha election tinggi sobar dak ni ke jing syania masai ki pai ba kin island ti lam yangi na ka bentaban onra ya ke jing kala tinggi ni ki sausna matai ki pai ba ki sebesyari ki lai ihi dalade ting ban puturoi than ya ki kam ki bangin sele na trai kat padai ka por ngapalong dan dei ki manifesto jungi ki matri kam jungi ki sawan ladi ka por haswa ju election pi karai jungki kum kinong elam tinggi numla ban ongi iparan ong elam na try ka karai ka babae ka bakin hipaj ba hi kin sim ya kata karai ka babah tambat bakin peni ada ka jingso ko jukin la de ka por andre ba por bangi mi bangi na ka kongres su ya ka bangi lai ilupai ki jing ki badon ha ka parti ka bangi per jumat menu te kala de sisya ka karai ka ba ba yangi bangen mi na ka parti kam de karai ka besuk nambar ngilai persyang ko baplay i saus nam bantay ka parti lah assembly ni syabar ke assembly bagi kam ki bangi tre ki konsumsi ki jongiru ele bi bantay ka parti dan re dalami kitu ki jing mo ki ba ngi po bangi mi ngem kwa i ban bung tien than kita ki jing ki jongi ma kum ki dong elam ngi hab ban kit ki jing re por bangi mi pada ngin le chano kata ki jing kli ka bakra nomor saus nam tam bat haki haswa jing gitaru ngiju yalong wai persya ke BJP mahadu kini kisngi upai ba jungi unum priang ke BJP teh nata kadau ngi wat lenti sebai bangi long bai ha ka lenti ke persya BJP bai te ada kita ki wei pada ki bami nang ta ki soba da ka balik join sya ka kenhun jong ka NPP bat BJP ka kambiang kata ngam da don kum ulong elam bon ongi ka syong ha ki pai ba bakin suthu hidaladi ban penbor ngimla ban khro ngimla mo long bai ki jing sisa ka baki pai ba mata ki ha ka jongki kama kindup na ban sutu pada dalade ka jing penpau mentang kalong baik ba umdon da wepat ka parti ka badon hakal yang persyak lai na ka Trinamool Congress te ngatrai ki brio hi ki basutu bat ki bala bisyar ki bala nujor ya ka kom trikam jong ni ka parti ka government jong ka BJP bat NPP ka kalong menta ngatrai kin hab hiban perkhat halade ya ka epat ka babatam tinakaliang jungi bat kumbulong lam ki parti borok khait ki nyerok daladi kata ngibri ban super tambah mentapa de pin hab hiru ban sutu ba lada pilai i gini san saus nem ta bagi long kumni pia tu pinang kwa biang bagi dang long kumni biang mo so sisi kata di jingkeli ka bang ibu haki pai ba te nakaliang juga Trinamool hi soba kani lawan ra ingi entah Ahmad jong pai ba bubun bangi de ka parti wastang kani ka brang yaine yaisa ban persya ke BJP ha ka jela ka jungi tengok thai kani kan nang ai bor su yangi kum ka parti see as I had said now TMC is the only opposition party now left in the state all other parties are part of the BJP government in the state now Congress also surprisingly they have joined the BJP so now that leaves people, some members of them are surprised, some of them are angry, some of them, they're showing different emotions. But then now we have to come over all those emotions. As electorate, sometimes we get carried away by our emotions. But then this is the time to have, you know, deep logical thinking as to understand the politics of the state. The rearrangement in the state is that now TMC is the only party that is against the BJP. The rest are all in one sack, with the BJP. So that, with that kind of a placement and the kind of a political alignment that has happened in the state, now we will go to the people and see and tell them, that this is what is happening in the state. So either you are with BJP or against BJP. So now we cannot, they may come in different colors, different symbols, but then they are all working for the same party. So that's why to be in power, we are being accused that to be in power, politicians will do anything. So now they will come in different symbols to just to be in power and be with the BJP. So some may come with some may come with the symbol of a vehicle, some may come with the symbol of a computer, some may come with a symbol of a chair, but then they are all part of the BJP. So that's why people have to show that they have to come out of their emotions. At the same time, come with a clear logical thinking that either you are with the BJP or against the BJP. There are no other, ways around it.